Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another road tour of our Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway right here in Eleko. My name is Matthew Adeoti, lead consultant at Fortress Global Naija Properties. Today I want to embark on a drone tour from Eleko Junction right here towards Lekki Free Trade Zone. We want to see major development ongoing on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway to give you proper update of what is happening in this location right now. This is Eleko Junction. I can see where they are now. So they are working on the flyover at this Eleko beach or junction. So you can see all this truck. So they are coming from a refinery, coming from a free trade zone and deep sea ports along Dangote Free Trade Zone Expressway. So this is a Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway right here at Eleko. So we are driving down towards Lekki Free Trade Zone. We want to see if we can drive down to Lekki Free Trade Zone or thereabouts, so to give you proper updates. But anywhere the road stop, we'll stop there. We'll continue from where we stop next time, right? Because we'll be giving you constant updates of this great project here in Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. And also, if you have interest in buying properties along this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, a property free from government encroachment, so I have a property just close by to Eleko Junction. Jennifer Garden is a walkable distance from this Eleko Junction right here. It's a great property to take advantage of right now before everything skyrockets or price increase. I also have another property facing this coastal highway for commercial property. So it's facing this coastal highway. Also, there's a residential plot available to take advantage of right now. And this is the best time to buy as many plots, acres you can buy in this location right now, because once they complete this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, oh my god, you'll be hearing the price of the properties along this area. You'll be hearing 200 million, 500 million, 1 billion and thereabouts, because it's major infrastructures connecting different states in this nation, Nigeria. We've done the road tour from Victoria Island down to Eleko Beach Junction right here, and that's what we are taking tour from this Eleko Beach Junction. You can see how deep this pole for the bridge is, very thick, very strong. So they are not managing anything on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So everything is quality, top notch. And also want to really appreciate our Mr. President for this great initiative, and Dr. David Umahi for the supervision of this great project and other government agency. This is a great project. It's going to open up the economic of this great nation, Nigeria. So that's why you can see that people are actually taking position, investing along this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway now, right? So that's a beach over there. That's a beach, and that's the Dangote Free Trade Zone highway. So you can drive through that place to go and connect Coastal Highway in front. I can drive through this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is going to connect to different states, like I said earlier on. And please, if you like what I do, the only way to encourage us is to please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below to really encourage you, so that I'll be able to give you proper and constant updates of this great project of a Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So stay tuned, relax, let's enjoy the tour together. So you can see that they've really gone far on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. They're really working very fast. They are not really joking. They are not delaying this project. And they have other different construction company working on this project. That's why I can see that they're really working very fast on this project. So this is where we are going to stop because we can't drive for that. They blocked road right here. They are still constructing road towards Free Trade Zone. So we are going to stop at this channel 47. This is channel 47 from Victoria Island. This is channel 47, and that's Lekki Free Trade Zone that you are looking at over there. So this is where we take it off from next time. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate you. God bless you.